Imagine this. You're standing over your suitcase, clothes tumbling out in every direction, boots refuse to fit, jackets are spilling onto the floor, and you're frantically searching for that one pair of wool socks. The zipper groans as you try to close the bulging bag, and the room is a whirlwind of packing lists, tangled scarves, and last-minute decisions. The excitement is real, but so is the chaos. You grab your phone and check the weather app. Sunshine, rain, wind, and even a chance of snow, all in 1 week. Alaska's wild weather is legendary. 1 minute you're picturing golden sunlight on glacier blue water. The next you're bracing for sideways rain and icy gusts that sneak under your collar. Packing for this adventure feels like preparing for every season at once. Pack the wrong things and you're shivering on the deck, soaked to the bone, watching the mist swallow up those epic glacier views. You imagine yourself bundled in 2 thin layers, feet squishing in soggy shoes, wishing you'd brought that extra sweater. The stakes feel high. This isn't just any trip, it's the adventure of a lifetime. Forget your raincoat. Suddenly, you're peeling off wet socks in your cabin. Your plans for a wildlife tour washed away by a downpour. The wrong gear can turn excitement into misery faster than you can say Alaskan squall. But take a breath, I've got you covered. This is your ultimate Alaska cruise. Packing checklist, designed to keep you warm, dry, and ready for every jaw-dropping moment. From the first glimpse of snow-capped peaks to the thrill of spotting whales, you'll be prepared for whatever Alaska throws your way. Ready to conquer the packing challenge? Let's dive in and make sure you're set for the adventure of a lifetime. First, let's talk about layers. In Alaska, layering is non-negotiable. You're not packing for a snowstorm, but you're also not heading to the Caribbean. Temperatures can swing 20 degrees in a day, so dressing in smart removable layers is key. You'll need 3 main layers: a base layer to keep you dry, a mid layer to keep you warm, and a weatherproof outer layer to protect you from wind and rain. Let's start with the base. For base layers, think moisture wicking and breathable. Avoid cotton. It traps moisture and makes you cold. Instead, go for synthetic fabrics or merino wool. Pack 2 or 3 thermal long sleeve tops, 2 or 3 thermal leggings or long underwear, moisture wicking t-shirts, and plenty of undergarments and socks. Merino wool is especially great, warm, breathable, and it doesn't trap odor. Next is your mid layer. This is your insulation. You'll want 2 to 3 fleece or wool sweaters, a lightweight puffer vest or jacket, and maybe a flannel shirt for layering. These are perfect for walking around the ship, exploring towns, or scenic glacier viewing on deck. They give you warmth without the bulk, and they're easy to peel off when the sun comes out. Now for your outer layer, the one that fights off the elements. Alaska weather is unpredictable, so make sure you pack a waterproof and windproof rain jacket with a hood. Optional, waterproof pants or shell pants if you'll be doing outdoor excursions. Here's a tip, don't rely on water resistant. You need fully waterproof. Rain is common and you don't want to be soggy halfway through a hike or wildlife tour. Let's talk about bottoms. Bring 2 to 3 pairs of jeans or warm casual pants, 1 pair of hiking pants or quick dry trousers, 1 or 2 pairs of leggings or joggers for layering or lounging, and at least 1 pair of dress pants or slacks for formal nights. Think comfort meets functionality. Speaking of formal nights, yes, even in Alaska they happen. Pack 1 or 2 cruise casual outfits, a cocktail dress or suit for formal evenings, and comfortable dress shoes, no stilettos unless you're very confident on a moving ship. You don't need to go overboard, just a nice polished look for dinner and photos. Now let's go over cold weather accessories. These make a huge difference. You'll need a beanie or fleece hat, a neck gaiter or scarf, waterproof gloves or mittens, and thermal socks. Bring at least 5 pairs. Trust me, it's better to overpack warm socks than to wish you had more when your feet are soaked. On to shoes, arguably one of the most important parts of this checklist. Bring waterproof hiking boots or trail shoes, sneakers for walking the ship or short excursions, dress shoes for evening, and flip-flops or slides for the hot tub or pool. One crucial tip, break in your hiking shoes before your trip. Blisters and rocky paths do not mix. Yes, you read that right. Bring a swimsuit. Most ships have heated pools, hot tubs, and even saunas. So pack 1 or 2 swimsuits, a swim cover-up or robe, and maybe some comfy gym wear if you plan on using the fitness center. Bonus points if you bring a hoodie or robe for chilly mornings on your balcony. For excursions, you'll want to pack smart extras. A small waterproof day pack, binoculars for whale watching, a refillable water bottle, hand warmers, and optional trekking poles if you're hiking or walking long distances. These small items make excursions smoother, warmer, and way more enjoyable. Planning to do laundry on board? Some ships offer self-service laundry rooms. Pack travel-sized detergent or laundry sheets, a collapsible laundry bag, a few clothespins or wrinkle release spray. Also, use packing cubes. They make unpacking and organizing so much easier. See links in the description below for some examples of packing cubes. And finally, a few smart extras to round things out. Fleece-lined leggings for layering under dresses or pants, a poncho or compact rain cover, a light cardigan or blazer for casual layering, compression socks if you're flying or doing long excursions. And there you go, that's everything you need to pack for your Alaska cruise. Layer up, stay warm, and don't forget those waterproofs. You'll be glad you came prepared. If this video helped, hit like, subscribe, and follow us on 𝗟𝗿𝘃𝗿𝗃 Journeys for more cruise tips and destination guides. Stay warm and enjoy every minute of your Alaskan adventure.